Think so. Let me see it. Hold it down. Yeah, I'll try mine. All right, my cousin wanted to see if his car bounces when it hits red line, but he's kind of scared to step it all the way, so I'm gonna punch mine and see what happens. I think it bounces in neutral, but I don't know. Let's see. It stops right there around 6.5, almost 7. Where did it stop at? 75? Damn, mine's only 6.5. That means you could probably red line more, because mine stopped around 7, 6.5, 7. I can hear about 8, 78 maybe. All right, this is first gear at 25 on 91. No E85, right? Something happened, I don't know. My cousin just stopped out of nowhere. That first to second was smooth though. Last time it wasn't smooth, but I kind of missed third, and I don't think my cousin caught that, so that's good. I was scared for a second because I thought he was gonna pass me up. Let's get this rerun. So apparently what happened was my cousin also missed third gear. That's funny, because I missed third gear too. And he just decided to let off, but I decided to get it back in gear and just keep going. But now we got some stupid ass people over there doing something. I don't know what they're doing, but we're about to get a rerun. First gear at second again. I mean, first gear at 20, 25. Let's go. This was weird, dude. He just jumped out of the car and now he's doing something. I don't know if he's picking up trash or something, but that's funny. All right, we decided to race backwards this time because going forward is too old school, you know? You gotta create some new trends. Backwards racing. Backwards racing. Smoking them. Oh shit. Too much popples. All right, we can stop here. Here should be okay. I have no control of my car. Let's go. All right, that guy is right there, so we're gonna punch it after him. We're gonna do first at 25 again. Let's go. There was a biker. This is not good. Normally there's no people here, but I don't know what's going on today. That was a good race. 91 is definitely less power, I think, because my cousin was pretty close to me. I bought a fender. I did kind of miss that gear though. I don't know what's going on. Whenever I shift into second, I wouldn't say I'm missing it because it goes in, but it grinds. So if you guys know what the problem is, then drop a comment down below, please. Thank you. This time we're doing second 45. Let's see what happens. He missed his gear. That's the only reason he stopped. But long story short, he was next to me about a fender though, And 91 I don't think is as strong as E85, obviously, because of the science. But of course you don't know until you dyno tune it, and I don't have a dyno, or I never dyno tune mine, so I can't tell you for sure. But my cousin did say that on E85 first gear I pull a lot harder than what I was doing right now on E85 first on first gear E85. He says I pull harder than I do on 91 first gear. All right, let's see what happened. Let's see his cues. What happened?
My third don't want to go in, bro.
The third didn't go in?
I don't know why. Nothing.
That's funny. I was scared too. I thought my third didn't go in, but it went in, so I was like, yes.
Dude, one of your shits coming out, dude.
One of my light?
No, one of your I'm trying to look at the side of your tire.
All right, I'll check it out.
You're under play, I
Well, you don't race with this shit. It's just a fender lining, but not a big problem. I don't know how that happened, but it's okay. Let's try to rip this off. I'm gonna cut it. Why? The fender lining?
Oh, change up?
We got a chopper up in the sky. They're coming for us. Second at 45 again, another chance at redemption. If he misses gear this time, then that's it. All right, let's go. You can honk again. Coming, no more racing. Whatever. That's it, I think. I don't think he wants to go again. Not the day to race today, not the day. All right, let's go. One more time. Second at 40. This is it. Hopefully no cars this time. That one was fair. We both did not miss gear, I'm assuming, because I went into third pretty good, and he kept going, so I'm assuming he went to third pretty good too. But that's it. All right, drop a comment down below what you guys think. Stay tuned for the future. I got more videos coming. I'm gonna be doing a review on E85 and a short throw shifter review pretty soon. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.